2015 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.